Hey guys, so to celebrate Monsta X and their debut anniversary, I decided to go ahead and finish my collection of their albums. So I just did a huge haul and I'm just gonna unbox these per album era with the versions. So this is Monsta X, the Connect Deja Vu, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 versions. Okay, so this is the 4 versions of Monsta X album, the Connect Deja Vu. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the first version. This album is probably one of my favorite albums. The songs on this are so good. Nervous, excited. I don't know why. I think that's just with any album, really. Ooh. Okay. Okay, photo cards. Do I want to do this first or not? I might hold off on the photo cards this time. Let's put those right there. Ooh, okay. Wait, we're gonna wait. I'm gonna go through. Oh, it's actually the tracks. How cute! I love that. So you have Jealousy, Destroyer, Fallen, Crazy in Love, Lost in the Dream, Kian's Voice. Dear goodness gracious. Love him. If only such a good song, and it makes me kind of like tear up, and I probably have cried listening to that song. And then we have the CD and photo book. I'm gonna go through this really quick. I'm like charging my phone, trying to download all these things. Freaking school. Filming this. Ooh, how cute. How cute. Wonho. His smile is like the cutest thing I have ever freaking seen. Kian. This logo of I'm Gonna Miss. It was such a good logo, but I appreciate the new one as well. Juan, love of my life. Juan, I don't know why, but I always love when they have the red backgrounds. Probably like one of my favorite things. Look how colorful this is. Cute. then from the music videos and song lyrics. I believe it was composed by Wonho, if only. I need to double check. Because Wonho knows how to freaking make me cry. With his song lyrics and whatnot. Okay. Love of my life. Love of my life. Okay. Yes. And this is the back. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is like the little poster, foldable, small. And I honestly love red backgrounds. I really don't know why, but it's one of my favorite things that Monsta X does. Okay. Cute. Look how cute Kia. Shonu. Shonu is so soft. Shonu. Another Shonu? Let's see. Wonho. Look how he looks so good. Just look at that leather jacket. I can't. Let me put this aside. Oh gosh, this is taking so long. Okay, and this is version 2. Here we go. Back. Oh, back. It's upside down. It's fine. It's fine. Again, the tracks. The CD is black this time. It's like a black version. This might be my favorite. I really like darker concepts in general. Oh, I guess they're in. Oh, yeah, they're in here. Yeah, I like this concept, at least for Wonho. This might be my favorite one so far. I love that they always put Kian doing all the math and looking like a cute little smart boy. Freaking adorable. They have Wonho like the bad A guy. Shonu being artistic and talented like he is. Okay, this might be one of my favorite. I freaking love this. Then we get to our hackers. Juhan. Juhan kills me all the freaking time. I love this picture. This one's so cute. Look at this picture. This one too. I don't like his hair. Like, I don't know. I guess I'm not used to seeing his forehead. I don't know why the pictures almost look clearer on this one. And then we go back to lyrics. Oops. Oh, I saw. Okay. This one only has 2. I feel like I'm missing something. Missing the red one and green one, and then the larger size. Is it here? That's weird. Cute pastel colors. And yuck. He's so pretty. I can't deal with it. Yes, this is so cute. He's so cute. My foot is falling asleep. And I think this one has, okay, I don't know why version 2 just didn't have it. And again, same difference is it's white. This is really cute. Oh, it's kind of same pictures. I think they're the exact same pictures as version 2. Oh, it's a little different. Yeah, it's different. But same concept. Slightly different poses for some of them. So I'm just gonna skim through this one. Oh, and then you have towards the back. This reminds me of such like 90s boy band vibes with this. And I don't hate it. I really love it. This is such a cute. Credits. Juhan again. Look at Juhan. Yep. Did I get this one? No, I didn't. Good. Oops. Hey. The poster. So 90s boy band, and I freaking love it. Okay. Maniac. I really like this picture of him. This might be my favorite one. Ooh, how cute. My bias wreckers right there, being adorable. They really test me sometimes. I am cute. Okay, one more version. These are always long, and I don't know why I do this to myself. I ain't got time for that. Barely have time right now. Version 4. It's like a mint green. And this is the... Ooh, nope, this is my favorite. Just kidding. This is my favorite. Yep, my favorite. They all look so good. And it's the music video. Time travel. Just, yep. Nope, this is my favorite. Look how beautiful they are. Yep. If I had to pick just one version, I would pick version 4. It's definitely my favorite. Look at Juhan. Like, my bias records really test me sometimes and come after me. All of them kind of come after me. But, no. Juhan holds his ground in my heart, and just nobody can like replace him. This is so, I like this one so much. It's so cute. This one's really cute too. And again, lyrics. And credits. Yes. Yep, this is definitely my favorite one. I got Kian. So cute. Wonho, yes. Look how good looking he is. Look at them. Juhan. This is probably like my least favorite outfit, but it's Juhan. He can work anything. His charisma and his freaking everything. Okay. Well, that's all for this, and thanks.